It's a 2018 Mercedes-Benz AMG GT. This is a singular shrine to high performance. The snarling startup growl flows into a passionate, throaty rumble as it unleashes its power. It comes with great features you love. Twin-turbo V8 engine, automatic with driver control suspension management, automatic transmission, hands-free liftgate, streaming audio, doors and push-button start proximity key, dual-zone climate control, external memory control, voice-activated climate controls, auto-dimming mirrors, and front heated and ventilated leather bucket seats. Cars.com declares, fast, gorgeous, and more affordable than its predecessor, the new Mercedes-AMG GTS may just be the best driving car the automaker has ever made. High style, high performance, Mercedes-Benz. See what it can do for you when you take it for a test drive.
Come see the selection at Eastern Shore Hyundai today. We're easy to find at 29736 Frederick Boulevard in Daphne, Alabama, off I-10, exit 38 in the Eastern Shore Plaza.